Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your Baseus Encok W3 with any Windows PC or laptop. So to do this, you have to input both earbuds inside the case, charge them for like 20 minutes before the pairing, and disconnect them from any previously connected devices. Next, all you have to do is just to open this charging case, and after a few moments this left earbud will start blinking like that. I hope that you can see it right now. It means that we are in the pairing mode, so you have to keep that case open and go to the settings. On the left side you have to go for the Bluetooth and devices, and right now click to add device and select Bluetooth. Now just wait for your earbuds. They appear at the bottom of the list, so click on them once. We are successfully connected, and if you want to use the microphone of your earbuds, you have to manually switch from your laptop microphone, so go to the sound settings and select the microphone of your Baseus Encok W3. That's all for this video, hope you like it.